This Milwaukee impact driver is one of my favorite tools. First up is its size. Because it's so small and lightweight, it's been really easy to maneuver it around tight workspaces. Despite the size, breaking loose most small to medium-sized nuts and bolts hasn't been a problem. On top of that, it has an LED light that turns on temporarily when you press the trigger, which has been a godsend because I don't need to hold a flashlight while I'm working. And while it is technically an impact driver, honestly, I've used it even more as just a regular drill. Because when I was doing any kind of carpentry and had to drill hole after hole and driven screw after screw, both its ergonomics, as well as the fact that swapping out drill bits is really easy to do, really reduced my fatigue. I've almost never had the battery run out on me, even on an all-day project. Because of all of this is usually the first tool I'll reach for when doing anything maintenance related, and only bust out the big guns if I really need a lot more power. I will say that by buying a Milwaukee tool, you're kind of investing in their battery ecosystem. This tool, like so many Milwaukee tools, takes the M12 battery. But fortunately, I've yet to actually be disappointed in any Milwaukee tool I've purchased. Therefore, the battery thing has been a non-issue for me. And if you really want to maximize this tool's uses, consider investing in something like this 45-piece impact bit assortment by Bosch. So if you're looking for an impact driver that's versatile and has many uses, look no further. This is an outstanding tool.